Hi, Steven from MajorHiFi. The Chord Poly is a powerful device designed to turn the Mojo into a wireless headphone, DAC, and amplifier. But the Go Figure app is currently still in the works. In the meantime, the setup process can be a little tech intensive, so I put together a step-by-step tutorial from my experience with the Poly in order to make your day a little bit easier. You can download the Chord Poly user manual as a supplement to our tutorial. Go to MajorHiFi and search Chord Poly Manual. Okay, setting up Chord Poly. Charge first and play later. It sounds like a bit of a bummer, but Chord recommends that you charge the Poly first. Chord also recommends charging port capable of at least 2 amps. In 4 hours time, you get an average of 9 hours battery life for the Chord Poly. The Poly has 2 small LED lights that indicate the charging connectivity status of the Mojo and the Poly. They're labeled M status and P status respectively. You can see the color key for Poly status in the user manual. Connecting Poly to Mojo. The next step before you can do anything is connect your Poly to the Mojo. It should slide together very easily and snap into place. Never use extreme force when installing Poly. Once that's done, you press the power button and Mojo and Poly will both power on. So the first thing that you must do after all that is the Poly Wi-Fi configuration. The Wi-Fi configuration will enable you to stream wireless audio to Poly via your local Wi-Fi network. It will also allow you to access music on your microsd for playback from Poly. It's the first step in being able to use all the Poly functions. First, make sure Poly and Mojo are connected and turned on. Next, plug in a headphone to the Mojo. Use the included pin tool to press the config button for 5 seconds. This will put Poly in access point mode, and the P status LED will flash green and blue. Then, Poly's mode status will play audibly through the Mojo headphone output. After that, open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device and connect to Poly. Please note, Poly is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. Once connected, you will have access to Poly's internal settings via web browser. Select Wi-Fi settings and enter your router name and password for your Wi-Fi network. You also must name your Poly at this point. Save your settings and reboot. Now you can access Poly via Wi-Fi to stream music from a DLNA app, Apple AirPlay, or Room. Connecting to Chord Poly via Bluetooth is pretty simple. This will enable you to stream audio from your mobile device, tablet, or smartphone directly to Poly. First step is to make sure Mojo and Poly are connected and turned on. Then, find Poly in your device's Bluetooth settings and select it. Enter the provided PIN number when prompted, and then you're connected. If you do not see Poly in your Bluetooth settings, follow the Wi-Fi configuration instructions and make sure the Poly's internal settings are correct. The hotspot feature. Chord intends to implement a hotspot feature into the Poly, but for now it's not yet available. But connecting to your mobile hotspot should work if you simply follow the Wi-Fi configuration instructions using your phone's SSID and password. It can be a bit of a headache though, as Poly will only work with 2.4 GHz networks. You should also note that the mobile device's name needs to be a simple one with no spaces or punctuation in order for Poly to recognize it as a network. Contact your service provider if you have connection issues after that. Alright, playing music from a microSD card. Once you perform the Wi-Fi configuration for Poly, you can connect to Poly via a DLNA application on your smartphone or mobile device. The DLNA app uses Poly as a remote server so you can play music directly from the microSD card. For this task, I used the 8-player app, and it worked very well. There's 2 versions, 8-player and 8-player Lite, which is the free version. First step, insert your microSD card with high-res files into Poly and wait for the flashing green light. According to Chord, there is no size limit for your microSD. Download the 8-player app on your device and open it. Select Chord Poly as your output at the bottom of the screen. Then go to the servers icon and select Chord Poly. From there, you can access all your music and folders on the microsd. Select any song to play. Alright, streaming music with Roon. The first step in order to use Roon with Chord Poly is to follow our Poly Wi-Fi configuration steps and select the Roon checkbox in Play Mode settings. Once you've changed your settings, save and reboot Poly. The final step is to simply go to the Roon website and download the app, and follow the installation instructions. For further information on connecting Roon with Poly, download the Chord Poly user manual. Again, this is Steven from MajorHiFi. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel for more audiophile reviews. To read my step-by-step instructions on setting up Chord Poly, go to MajorHiFi.com and search Chord Poly tutorial. Bada bing!